We've heard from the cricket pundits. I now want to hear from the fans. Let's go live and across to Dhaka and Delhi, the Dhaka-Delhi fan face-off. Joining us from Dhaka tonight is my colleague Manogya Loiwal. Joining us from Delhi is Rishika. Rishika Barua is reporting from India Gate. And I'm really sorry, Vikrant Gupta, it's way past midnight, way past our bedtime. We've kept you awake. Thank you for being such a sport. He's joining us from Melbourne, and joining us from right outside Mahendra Singh Dhoni's residence is my colleague Rohit Kumar Singh. I want to go across first to Dhaka though. I'm told, Manogya, that this is being called the biggest day in Bangladeshi sport. People in Dhaka going absolutely crazy. Give our viewers a sense of the atmospherics in the capital city of Bangladesh before this quarter-final clash with India.
Well, absolutely, and the enthusiasm and excitement is at its peak even at midnight here in Bangladesh. And interestingly, we see every student in Dhaka University singing and of course dancing during the day and enjoying every minute of it. They have been singing Besh, 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 Shabash Bangladesh. That's the enthusiasm and spirit. Do you feel that this time it's going to be the victory of Bangladesh because of the players rather than the enthusiasm?
Of course, because we have the most brilliant players in our team, and all the players are very good. We have the all-rounder Saqib Al Hasan. We need not to talk any about him, and we have Mushfiqur Rahim, the junior but the brilliant of our team.
And I understand that Hassan is also very popular among all the women in Bangladesh. He's across all the posters despite being the vice captain. And understanding that 2007 what happened to India, will it be repeated this year?
Of course, we can beat India, and are keenly waiting for the World Cup.
Well, it's all about the roaring tigers from Bangladesh who are all set to rock the Australian cricket field. And here is what you hear. It's the roar of the Bangladeshis here in Dhaka. And this, of course, is a very, very clear clue on the excitement and, of course, the opportunity.
Manogya, what's this song? What's this song that fans in Bangladesh are singing tonight? What's this song? Desh, 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 Hamara Desh, Bangladesh. What's the full song?
You will be happy.
Well, that's a very interesting song. I'll ask them to repeat it for us. Well, exactly, it's Besh. That means that they are promoting and, of course, patting on the back of their cricket team. That is representing their cricket team in Australia. And, of course, very confident that Jao Egiye Amar Bangladesh, move ahead, go against all the obstacles on your way, and, of course, come back home with a lot of victory and the cup too.
Okay, Rishika Barua, the fans in Dhaka supremely excited. Are the Indian fans matching them for fervor? Are they matching them for enthusiasm? Or are they concerned about slipping over a banana peel, Rishika?
Well, absolutely, Rahul. The excitement here is also unmatched. I'm standing here at India Gate with a bunch of people. There are women, there are kids, there are youngsters. They've declared that it's going to be a national holiday tomorrow. Kal छुट्टी मारेंगे मैच देखने के लिए. छुट्टी मारेंगे. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. National holiday हो गया कल.
Yes.
जीतेगा इंडिया पक्का. क्या लगता है?
इंडिया जीतेगी और बहुत अच्छे रन से जीतेगी.
बहुत अच्छे. फेवरेट प्लेयर्स कौन कौन होने वाले हैं? कौन जिताएंगे इंडिया?
शेखर धवन. मैम फेवरेट प्लेयर तो विराट कोहली.
विराट कोहली. पूरा दिल्ली विराट कोहली को सपोर्ट.
शिखर धवन. विराट कोहली मैच.
विराट कोहली दिल्ली के लिए इट इज विराट कोहली. आपको क्या लगता है कौन जिताएगा इंडिया को मैच?
विराट कोहली.
विराट कोहली इज गोइंग टू बी विराट कोहली.
हाँ ठीक है, अच्छा है.
विराट कोहली. और गाना क्या है? इंडिया का गाना क्या है कल का?
लगान गाना है ना.
कौन सा?
बार बार हो अपनी, बार बार हो अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हो. कोई हमसे
अकेले गा रही है तो
कोई हमसे ना टकराए बढ़े चलो.
There are
Yes.
a bunch of boys here, Rahul, who prepared a dance if India wins. क्या डांस है आपका? चलिए दिखाइए अपना डांस दिखाइए. Okay, so from the dance moves to the song, is clearly prepared, but as you can see, Rahul, loyalties are with Virat Kohli. Some people have declared it a national holiday. They are bunking work to watch the match tomorrow.
Vikrant Gupta, what's the time right now in Australia? We're very sorry we've had you up till so late. Tell me, what's the weather prediction for tomorrow? I was reading somewhere that rain is likely, that there's rain likely tomorrow. How bad is it going to be, Vikrant?
Rain's forecast around evening, Rahul, and it's a catch-22 for Indians because obviously they are a strong team. They'd be the favourites to win this game. The match starts at 2:30 afternoon, and then if it rains around 6 o'clock, it is expected to go on till 10 o'clock, which could mean that we may not have a result tomorrow. There is a reserve day, and the match will have to restart. You cannot resume the match, you'll have to restart it. So there could be a situation where one team gets to bat the 50 overs and the second team doesn't get to bat. But that's the only
How good is their Met department, Vikrant? In India, it's been a bit of a hit and miss at times. Is their Met department good?
They are spot on. They're spot on. They're always spot on, Rahul. They're spot on. I would expect, and as would the Indians, expect that they are not spot on, because that is the only window of hope for Bangladesh. In a 50-over game, it'll be hugely difficult for Bangladesh to beat India in these conditions. But if it's a 20-over game, 25-over games, if it's a shortened game, then Bangladesh will have a chance, because the lesser the overs, then the match becomes a lottery. But again, you never know. The Bangladeshis would, of course, have a sleepless night.
But Vikrant, given the fact that it could rain, how does India approach the toss? Does it make more sense for us to bat first or see what Bangladesh scores so that we know what we need to chase down in case it rains?
Tricky. It'll be tricky, Rahul, and I asked the same question to Saurav Ganguly. I said, Dada, would you go by your strength, which is bat first, score runs, put runs on the board and put pressure on the Bangladeshis, or do you play by the rain? Do you get them in, then look at the target and see if it rains? Saurav said, no, you play to your strength. Because we saw yesterday, calendar date, of course in India it's today, but in Australia yesterday, the Sri Lanka-South Africa game. South Africa put pressure on the Sri Lankans with the new ball, and the Sri Lankans just willed.
Ranchi, joining us from there is my colleague Rohit. Rohit, do the fans in Ranchi know that the weather is supposed to be bad? What are they making of this uncertainty building up to this big quarter-final clash?
Well, Rahul, this city is buzzing with so much of anticipation because till few years back, Ranchi has absolutely no connection with cricket, but because of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, reporting from this city has become very important and everyone is cheering for Dhoni. Let's get in a word from some of the enthusiastic fans here. आप बताइए क्या लगता है, बारिश प्रेडिक्शन किया गया है कल, क्या लगता क्या होगा?
देखिए, जैसे हम लोग को पता चला कि कल बारिश होने वाली है तो बहुत ज्यादा निराशा हुई और हम लोग ऊपर वाले से भी चाहते हैं कल बारिश नहीं हो, इंडिया जबरदस्त खेले और जिस तरह से धोनी का विजय रथ, धोनी की सेना का विजय रथ आगे बढ़ा है वो लगातार बढ़ता रहे और कल भी एक करारी शिकस्त बांग्लादेश को दे, ताकि जो वर्ल्ड कप फिर से दोबारा जो वर्ल्ड कप जीतने का जो जिस तरह से आशा की जा रही है कि जीतेगा, तो कल एक मार्ग प्रशस्त हो जाए और भारत फिर से तीसरी बार वर्ल्ड कप पर कब्जा जमा ले।
अच्छा, आप लोग ऑफिस जाने वाले हैं, कल के ऑफिस जाएंगे आप लोग क्या?
नहीं, हमने तो सोचा है कल बंकी मार लेते हैं, वैसे तो छुट्टी मिलती नहीं है और ये अच्छा मौका है कि 2007 का बदला कल भारत लेने वाला है और भारत जीतने वाला है। इंडिया 6-0 हो चुका है अभी तक, क्या चाहते हैं? 3 कदम और दूर है वर्ल्ड कप से। हम चाहते हैं कि जिस तरह से धोनी ने बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन दिया है, अभी तक का सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन दिया है, हम चाहते हैं कि कल का मैच में भी और आगे का मैच में भी वो बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन दे और इस बार भी हम लोग वर्ल्ड कप जीतेंगे।
ये बताइए क्या लगता है कल का मैच सिर्फ फॉर्मेलिटी है कि इजी रहेगा क्या भारत के लिए?
इजी रहेगा और भारत जीतेगा और वर्ल्ड कप लेके आएगा, ये आप लिख लेना।
कल का परफॉर्मर ऑफ द डे कौन होगा? कौन सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस?
सबसे अच्छा धोनी करेगा।
धोनी करेगा
पक्का, ये रांची होते हैं पक्का धोनी।
From Ranchi, everyone is cheering for Dhoni because he is the local boy here and everyone wants that once he wins the World Cup he should come back to Ranchi and bring more laurel to this city.
Vikrant Gupta, for having kept you awake till so late, sorry once more. Thanks also to Rohit Singh for joining us from Ranchi. Manogya Loiwal, now in Dhaka, refusing to cheer for India. I'll remember this, Manogya, when you come back. You won't hear the end of it. And thanks also to Rishika Barua for joining us from Delhi. Thank you.